Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. Today we are going to discuss about what is machine learning and how it works. Okay, so for understanding what is machine learning, first we need to understand what is artificial intelligence. Okay, so artificial intelligence are those AI applications which do its task without any human intervention. Okay, those applications or those machines which do its task without any human interventions or without any human action. Okay, so they do their task with their own. Okay, so now we can understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Okay, so machine learning is a methodology by which we want machine to learn. Okay, or for that learning we have to provide them some previous data or past experiences. Okay, so by which machine will build its model. Okay, and then if we provide them a new data, it will provide us with predicted future outcomes. Okay, or using machine learning, machine will learn same as we human learn. Okay, we also learn from our experience, and using machine learning, machines will also learn from their experiences. Okay, so now we're going to discuss how machine learning works. Okay, so for our first step is data gathering. So in data gathering we gather data from different sources. Okay, and our second step is data pre-processing. This is the most important step because we need to prepare our data for good accuracy and good prediction. Okay, for that we need to process our data first. So next step is input pass data. We have to provide model with our input in which we provided past data. Our next step is training. In this step, data will train by understanding past input data. Okay, and understand the data. What are the patterns, trends, relationship between them, and build a logic which we call an algorithm. Okay, and our next step is testing. Okay, another step, we test our model on the basis of algorithm. Okay, so we test our model by providing it with our new data, and it will provide us a prediction. Okay, and this is how machine learning works. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.